Hello everyone, welcome to our property advisor channel House Hunting India. In this video, we are going to talk about carpet area, built up area and super built up area as per RERA. Before year 2016, the builder used to sell flat on the basis of super built up area. So builders were getting more money because of super built up area, and government was also getting high taxes in the form of stamp duty charges. But the pain of the buyer was not limited to this. The buyer will be paying the maintenance charges for the lifetime because of this build-up or super build-up area. After RERA, it has become mandatory to all the builders and the developer to sell the flat on the basis of carpet area and not on the basis of super built-up area. RERA carpet area is an useful measure for client but may differ from the unusable carpet area of an apartment because it includes interior walls of the apartment and also excludes certain areas like enclosed balconies, terraces, and some other unusable areas which are the part of the flat. What is the carpet area? In simple words, a carpet area is actual usable area of a flat or literally where you can spread a carpet. It does not include external common areas like lifts, staircases, and lobbies. This is the most useful metric for an home buyer. The diagram shows on the screen will illustrate the difference between the usable and RERA carpet area. In this image, following area are considered in carpet area: bedroom, balcony, kitchen, living dining, toilet. In this image, following area are not considered in carpet area: lift, corridor, lift lobby. What carpet area covers? Rooms, bedroom, study room, dining room, bathroom, a staircase within property unit. What carpet area does not cover? External and internal walls, terraces, utility duct. This brings clarity which are not there before RERA was introduced. What is built up area? Built up area is the area which totally covered by internal and external walls and also includes duct and interior part. It is also known as the total covered area of the apartment and its sum of carpet area. Area covered by the thickness of walls and includes the terrace, balcony and other livable areas. The diagram on the screen will illustrate the difference between carpet area and built up area. What built up area covers? External and internal walls plus carpet area, utility duct and interior part, sewage, water pipeline, interior part of door and window, AC duct, shafts and etc. Built up area is equal to area of carpet area plus area of walls plus area of utility and internal part generally. The built up area is 20% more than the carpet area. Another popular term used in similar context is plenched or covered area. However, when looking at the plench area, only structure present directly under the roof are considered. Structures such as balconies are usually constructed on the top which have no direct connection to the roof and hence are not counted under the plench area. These balconies will consider under the built up area. What is super built up area? Super built up area is the combined total of properties built up area and all of its proportionally sized common areas. For example, if a common area of 4000 square feet is shared among 20 homes, that is proportionate common areas for each home will be 200 square feet. Elevators, swimming pools, gardens, lobbies and other amenities may found in highly developed areas. However, it is not included and it charged individually. The diagram on the screen will illustrate super built up area. Areas included in super built up areas are common amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, elevators, lobby, etc. The term super built up area means usually there are mentioned by builder. The area is the total sum of the built up area and the common areas including the staircase, corridor and lift lobby. Additionally, it also been seen that some builders even include the swimming pool area, garden area, indoor sports room and clubhouse while calculating the common area. The construction builders charges you on the basis of total super built up area. That is the reason the super built up area is also known as sellable area. Final conclusion. Now, you have understood all these terms so well. This understanding and knowledge will help you when you will buy or residential flats in Pune or all over the India. This will help you in making smart choices in the real estate investment sector. So, my advice is to keep yourself informed, make a wise investment in right place and save good money too. And therefore, developer will not be able to manipulate the calculation of carpet area in order to increase the prices. So friends, I have tried to explain the concept of carpet area, built-up area, super built-up area. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and get updated with real estate and property news. Till then, bye bye.